Hi friends, today we're going to be making scratch art portraits. This is a famous artist named Sandra Silberzweig. She makes these beautiful portraits and we're going to make some artwork after her today. Your first step is to write your name and your teacher's name on the back of your white paper. Great job! Flip your white paper over. Now I'm going to assemble my oil pastels in order that I will use them. So I'm using the Roy G. Biv method, and that means red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You don't have to use this arrangement. This is just the one that I chose to use today. You're going to color in your whole page using stripes. With oil pastels, you want to press a little bit light and then press a little bit hard. Now I'll add my next color right underneath, so my colors are always touching. So notice when I'm coloring, I'm drawing one direction and then I'm drawing in another direction. That's called hatching and cross-hatching, kind of like a duck. It's very important that we fill in our whole page so that we don't have any white spots. Now the fun part. We're going to color over all of our stripes with a black oil pastel. Just be very patient with this process because it does take you a little bit of time. And you'll notice that I'm drawing all in one direction, so I'm kind of drawing at an angle first. And I'm drawing a little bit light, and then I'm going to press a little bit harder. Great job. Now we're ready for the really fun part. I'm going to take my toothpick in my hand and I'm going to make a tiny dot in the center of my paper. So it doesn't have to be exact, but you just want to try your best. Now I'm going to draw a line all the way down from the top to meet my dot in the middle. And if you need to go over it, you're welcome to. So we're just scratching off that first black layer to reveal all of those beautiful colors underneath. job. Next, you're going to draw an L shape. So it's just like I'm making a big L. This is going to be our abstract nose. An abstract is when something doesn't look really like it does in real life. It looks a little different. That's what makes it unique. Now I'm going to be drawing a straight line. This is going to be part of my eye. And then an oval line on the top and the bottom. See how it looks kind of like a football? Now I'm going to draw a line on the other side. It does not have to be perfect. If it's a little bit lower or a little bit higher than my other eye, then that's just fine, and that makes it even more unique. Remember, our eyes have irises and they have pupils, which is that black part in the middle. And I'm drawing two of those right there, an iris and a pupil on both my eyes. Great job. Now I need a mouth, so I'm going to be drawing a mouth that looks kind of like my eye. So it looks kind of like a football. And now I'm going to add fun details like swirls for my eyelashes, or maybe straight lines, two nostrils, some fun patterns. I made circle patterns, zigzag patterns. Remember, this is abstract, so it doesn't have to look realistic, just like Sandra's work. I'm making the bottom of my face and a neck, and fun patterns for the background. Drawing fun lines for my eyes. And you might want to make some of your lines a little bit thicker. You just do that by scratching off that top black layer to reveal all those cool colors that you made underneath. I'm doing spirals on my cheeks. And some dots on my other cheek. Making the lines around my mouth a bit thicker. Adding some more lines above my eyes. I made some ziggly lines in between my nose, more lashes, some fun straight lines around the chin, straight lines around the neck, and some wavy lines on the lips. And now you have awesome portrait scratch art. Great job!